My school homework was writing and drawing about Christmas. So I wanted to draw various lines that I learned last time. Would you like to draw it together? We need markers, colored pencils, stickers, and scissors. Doodling is like graffiti. How do you use lines in your drawings? See line in the channel, let you know. If you've drawn the various lines, let's color it. How about decorating with your favorite stickers? Of course, the finishing touch should be a star. Do you want to try it with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!